When safety and comfort meet industrial strength, performance gets a serious upgrade. Introducing the Voltas Forklift Seat by Jain'm Seats. Built specifically for Voltas forklifts and engineered for high-intensity work environments. Its core is made of premium cushioning that minimizes fatigue and provides ergonomic support during long shifts. The Rexine upholstery is tough, easy to maintain, and built to withstand exposure to dust, grease, and daily wear in warehouse and industrial settings. With a manual weight adjustment knob, operators can fine-tune the support to suit their body weight, improving balance and reducing strain. The sliding mechanism allows smooth front and back movement, helping drivers position themselves perfectly for better posture and reach. Constructed with a reinforced heavy-duty base, this seat is designed to absorb constant vibration and shock, ensuring durability in demanding forklift operations. The Voltas Forklift Seat brings together rugged performance and thoughtful design, because comfort shouldn't stop when the job starts. The Voltas Forklift Seat, engineered for the load, designed for the long haul. Jain'm Seats, where safety meets comfort and durability powers performance. Subscribe for more product showcases and explore our complete seating range at jainmagro.in.